दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
Page number 204, question number 6. The most important thing is to draw the figure. So read the question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from this meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So you got some question, you got some figure. Before this, you should to learn how to make the questions. Then after some time, after the practice, you will able to draw the figures by yourself. The question is, question number 6. Question like is this. This is the ground and there is a tall building. And its height is 30 meter and obviously this is 90 degree. This is the ground and suppose this is the height of the boy, means we will make only a line, height of the boy. He was standing at some distance. So a 1.5 meter, its height is means his eyes is, this is 1.5 meter, this is 1.5 meter, this, and his eyes is this much level, horizontal level. So from here you will see the angle of inclination. So the question is, the 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance, means this distance you don't know, this distance and this distance you don't know, okay, from a 30 meter tall building, okay. The angle of elevation from his eyes, from where is angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So actually this is not the actual figure. We should to increase, okay, means only rough figure, earlier this was 30 degree, it's not appearing 30 degree and when he has moved somewhat, okay, let me make means actually for you this will be simply, if you take here, this is 1.5. So here you see this is 30 degree line of sight, this is 30 degree. Then he moves towards the building and then again see, so because he has come close, so angle of elevation will increase. So the question is, what is this distance which he has moved? So you can see here there are two right angle triangles, one is this and one is above this one, or you may say this is an obtuse angle triangle also. This is, this, are you able to see? This is, and we know the height, this height of obtuse angle triangle you will subtract 1.5, this is 1.5. So the height of this obtuse angle triangle is 28.5. So in any obtuse angle triangle, if you know 30 degree and this is 120 degree and height, so can you find this base? This is the question. When questions appears to be sometimes two right angle triangle, but it is actually one obtuse angle triangle, and we are taking difference of right angle triangle, this one minus this one, so you will get this triangle. About this I have taught in my second part of trigonometry, chapter number 9. You can see there, the link is given in the description. Okay, so we will do nothing, so I have told you 3 informations, 1 2 angles and 1 this information. So this was the question in this category. One side is common. Where is the common side? For the both triangle, this is the common side. For this triangle, this is, and for bigger one, this is also the same building. So this is the common side. So common side, because we know this length, this is the common, and you will see it use. You have to find this length, so take it x. What you have to find? Distance. That is called distance and height. You have to find this length x. Actually, 2 right angle triangle, 2 variables are there. This is given. This is not asking here, but you may know it, and you may use it, distance. Actually, don't look, the question start from here, means this. Actually, this is the question only. This obtuse angle triangle, and the height is height of this obtuse angle triangle is 28.5. Find this length and this length. In any triangle, 3 things are given, so everything is given. So what will you do? You will take x, you have to find it. You will take here y also. 2 variables, most of the times you will see 2 variables, 2 types of triangle are there, 2 types of triangle, 2 right angle triangle, so 2 times tan theta. So first apply for tan theta here. Tan 60 degree is equal to, tan 60 is equal to building length, tan 60, how much tan 60? Root 3. Tan 60 is equal to 28.5 upon this y. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So 28.5 upon y means y is equal to, you got y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Okay, and for this whole triangle, right angle triangle, tan 30 is equal to, it's only for our solving, but when you solve in your exam, you should write in triangles ABC, and you should to mention all the things. What is building, what is not, what is that. Sometimes some explanation should be given. So just like tan 60 for this triangle, tan 30. So this is the triangle, whole right angle triangle, and this is a 28.5 common. So tan 30 is equal to again 28.5 upon this length upon this one whole, x plus y. So 2 variables and 2 equations. Tan 30, you know the value, 1 upon root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon x plus y. So x plus y is equal to this one. X plus y is equal to 28.5 into root 3. 2 variables, 2 equations. At a time we don't need to tell y, so we will replace it, substitute y here and then solve. For solving, if you want to take it, it will be easy for you. 28.5 into root 3 and then upon root 3 into root 3 means just like here, root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will be 3 and 3, root 3 means 3. This. So this is the y. So place this y value here and solve. So x plus 28.5 into root 3. Actually you can cancel it here also. 3 9 ja 27, 9.5 root 3. This is y is equal to 9.5 into root 3. So keep it. X plus 9.5 into root 3 is equal to 28.5 into root 3. So this will go there and minus root 3 common and then minus. So x is equal to 28.5 minus 9.5 times of root 3. 5 5 20 8 19 root 3. So this is the answer. If you solve this method in this way na, so it is correct, but some explanation is required, means in ABC, in this one, so it will be much better. So in most of the times you will see in your books ABCD is written. ABCD is written. So you will write just in all the questions, first what is the figure, explain, and then ABC, and then you will tell the value. So this is the solution. So in the next from the next question we will solve. So keep it in your mind. 2 right angle triangle, 2 times of tan 30, tan formula, 2 variable x and y, 1 variable replace. Sometimes both variables are asked. If you know x is equal to, then you can you can tell the y also. 2 variables, 2 equations, 2 unknown. But at a time they ask only 1 variable, so replace that one. Y is equal to, y is equal to, you have known the 2 variables, but we require only 1 variable, that is you have found it. So that was question number 6. So keep watching in the next question. Thank you.